Right, so now for this one, when you take a negative 5 over, you get 13 cos theta equal to 5, and then when you divide by 13, they cancel out. So cos theta is 5 over 30. And they also said that theta is an element of 180 to 360. That's the same as saying that theta is between 180 and 360. So if cos is positive and the triangle is between 180 and 360, but cos is positive, where is it going to be? Obviously on this side, right? Because that's where cos is positive. Okay, so we know we have to draw it here, not there. Because cos is negative here, but it's supposed to be positive. So then adjacent over hypotenuse, adjacent over hypotenuse. And then if you use Pythagoras, you're going to see that 13 squared minus 5 squared will give you 169 minus 25 is 144. So let's say y squared for this side is equal to this. And then you can say therefore y would be plus minus 12. Okay, so what are we going to use? The plus or the minus? Obviously the minus, because we're going down. So the right one would therefore be y equal to negative 12. So now if you want to find tan theta, for instance, you can say tan theta is opposite over adjacent, negative 12 over 5. Or if you want to find sine theta, you can say it's opposite of hypotenuse, negative 12 over 30. Okay.